Cool, we finally made it to... Where the heck are we?
I don't remember. Oh, Allen Key?
Yeah, but what's the chain of islands?
Oh, Exumas. Yes.
We finally made it to the Exumas! Yes. And now there's like this little cove. You probably can't see it in front of us, but there's like enough room for like 3 boats. But on the other side of the island, it's a pretty crazy tidal swing. They say 180. So we're gonna, if we can't fit in there, then we're gonna just go anchor with all these other guys.
Cool.
But go to the bowling ball alley.
Bowling ball alley. Hey, we're Sailing These Knots. I'm Carol.
I'm Bruce, and this is Ariga. Find us sailing, diving, fishing, and checking out new places. Thanks for watching. Bowling Ball Alley did not get its name overnight. I think it has a lot to do with the soft sand that sits on top of the limestone rock. Anchors can usually only dig a couple of inches in. Then you mix that with a strong current or a heavy gust of wind, and then all of a sudden, everybody's boat becomes like a bowling ball.
Got anchored up and we're gonna do a quick little dive on the anchor. It's gonna be cold. Oh, it actually really doesn't feel too bad.
The water temperature in the Bahamas was quite low. We usually had to wear a wetsuit. However, this was one of the first few days where we didn't have to wear it. It's kind of funny. Every single person pretty much that we have met since cruising in the Bahamas, we just keep bumping into them. But now it's even funnier because we've only been 2 places, or 3 places. Bimini, Andros, and Nassau. And people we've met from every single one. Like only really we've met 1 or 2 people in every single one of those anchorages. And they're all here now in Exumas. At this one anchorage.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna head out. Time to get out of this stinking beautiful place. I think we're gonna go head to a lake, more or less, test it out, because we're gonna go to Flotilla, have some fun there, but then it's supposed to be really nasty for the couple days after that, and so I think we're just gonna try to scope it out, see if that gives us the best protection, because the wind's gonna come heavy out of the south, the east, and the north, and it's gonna last for like 4 days, so should be calm in there. We'll see. We'll see.
Cool. Video with our friends on channel 7, so we're all heading out together. This is our first time like buddy boating, right? Yeah. So our friends who we are anchored with at Morgan's Bluff, we're all heading to Norman's Cay. So we've got the brothers, Ephraim and Nate, over there in their boat, and then we've got Cool Breeze, Jesse aka Cool Breeze, in front of us, and then we're taking the rear because we're slow. Yeah. We have to keep cheating and putting on our motors. But hopefully we'll get there, we'll scope out the bad weather hold and do some fishing. Cool. This is really fun. Because we have like what, 10 miles?
Yeah, not even. I think it was like 8.6, which is gonna be like 14 hours for us.
Yeah, so we didn't bother pulling up our dinghy motor, so that can be our excuse why we're so slow. Not because we don't know how to sail. We're scoping out a place to anchor for when that strong wind is coming. We want to be somewhere protected with winds from the north. So checking this out because we'd be nice and protected here.
Like Simo said, This is Norman's Pond. It offers 360-degree protection from wind and waves. It's about 14 feet or 4.2 meters deep. The only problem is to enter the lake at high tide, it's 2 meters or 6 feet deep. But once you're in, the views are stunning. All right. We get it. You want to see some clips of us fishing. All right, here you go. That I really shot other than a snapper.
That was awesome.
Beautiful fish. Thank you, fish.
Thanks, fish.
Big ass mouth. I think I'm over that.
Okay. Look at all that meat. We're ready, Barbie.
Okay, follow these knots. Those knots. Follow these knots. Figure it out, everybody.
Thank you.